So welcome back, guys. I want to take time to do a little bit of a review. A company, FantastiCLEAN, who actually makes some microfiber drying towels, reached out to me and asked me if I'd do a review. Of course, I'll do that. And I like to keep a clean car, and as you know, there is a car show or two coming up, and I don't really do a lot of entries into car shows, but I do like to keep my car and also truck looking pretty nice. Take a second to unbox the actual towel first, or the drying towel. This should be actually rather large. We're going to see. It says dry the car in 90 seconds. If it's as large as it looks, and it might, we shall see. It's a pretty good sized towel. Move this box now. I don't think that'll hurt the paint necessarily, because again, I have some good amount of ceramic coating on it. Okay, so as you can see, it is a pretty good sized towel. I'll back up here just a little bit so you can see. The material itself actually feels very soft. So, looks like it's going to be nice to detail with or to dry with. But let's get the car washed and see how well it dries afterwards. So let's see how this thing does. Let's see if this, see if it actually absorbs like it's, you know, like they say. I think it will. Like I said, it feels wonderful. I usually don't dry like this, and usually I start at the top, but I was going to try it like this. It's kind of hard doing it one-handed, but there, I mean, it's hard to see in this lighting, but it does seem to dry pretty good. Let me put you on a stand right quick, and I'll just show you how fast, or see if we can actually get this done pretty quickly. But I will use the detailing cloths actually on the wheels just to see how they do, see how they feel. As you can see, it dries pretty quick out here in the sun, but there is quite a bit of water beating on it. Let's see if I can show you some getting closer. Yeah, see, there's still quite a bit of water on it, so we'll dry it. And on the wheels, we will actually use the detailing wipes or cloths. And I'll talk just a little bit about where you can get these and how much they cost at the very end. So as mentioned, I usually start at the windows or the top here, and I dry it first. I usually fold it over like so, if you can see. That usually makes it a lot easier for me anyways. So let's see how it does. So far, so good. Like I said, I like a good towel, and I can tell that this is a very good quality towel so far. Seems to dry the windows very quickly, very nice. Not a lot of streaking right now. It's absorbing the water, it's not soaking it all in and getting really soaked. So we're going to use these right here, these FantastiCLEAN detailing towels on the wheels. We're going to see it's a 6-pack. And from what I can see on Amazon, I just pulled it up because I was just curious to see. These are 16 by 6. I'm going to pull one of them out and see what it looks like. But they are $26.99. Well, I was going to try to show you my phone, but you can go online. I'll post the link. It's $26.99 for a 6-pack. And it looks like $18.99 for a 3-pack. So it says they're made out of coral fleece, machine washable. And one of the good things I did not mention when I first opened that big towel is the good thing, you know, whenever you buy a towel, a lot of times they'll have tags on them and you have to pull the tags off. So if you're like me, you don't like to have a tag on when you're drying a vehicle. Well, these don't have a tag on them. They're already tagless. So that's awesome too. That's one that's worth it in the beginning right there. So just by pulling these out, they're already really soft. They feel awesome, I have to say. They feel really, really good. So let's see how they dry. We're gonna try and see. Again, we should probably be detailing with these, and I would, but we don't have anything to detail right now, honestly. So let's just kind of detail the the wheels a little bit, and I will say they feel really good. They may not dry the water off the best. I can guarantee though, if you're using wax or if you're trying to get wax off, if you're just trying to do some detailing spray, that would make a good world of difference. So they aren't this, they're absorbent. They are absorbent. But not really as absorbent as the drying towel. And that's to be expected. Because they are detailing towels. Let me see if I have any detailer right quick, and I will try another one right quick. And we'll use some detailer. 1 second. I have just a little bit left, so we're gonna try a new one, fresh one. And we're gonna see, I think I have some in this spray bottle. We're gonna find out. Yeah, all right. So let's see if this works, how it feels. That seems smooth. It brings it off really nicely. I would say that these are really good detailing towels. I would have to recommend them for the price. And again, like I said, they are tagless, just as the drying towel is. But I'm gonna finish doing the wheels, drying them off. And honestly, I'm done. I'm gonna flip the camera around right quick before I finish the wheels. So honestly, these do really well. The price of the larger towel, give me a second, I'll get the price of that, is actually, 1 second, I will find out for you. It's actually $21.99, and it's a 16-inch by 24-inch. So the one I'm using back here is a 16-inch by 24-inch, and it's $22. So again, that's not bad, and it's worth it. Tagless, nice packaging. So if y'all, and actually right now they have a $5.50 coupon off on Amazon. So it's 15 some dollars. And honestly, if you go to Walmart, that's really what you're gonna pay for a good drying towel anyways, between $10 or $15. For a quality one, it's probably gonna be about $15 or $16. So I would say that these are some of the best drying towels I've used so far, and that's completely honest. But until next time, I'll see you all hopefully at the car show. That's what I'm kind of a car meet tomorrow. I don't know when that video will be posted because it takes a while to edit those videos. That's what I'm kind of just washing the car off for, but I will see you then.